Bonjour, bonsoir Timoun, comment nous y? Je dis à nous venir faire une petite vidéo, je viens montrer nous là Bob Cailloux qui vient montrer 10 000 hommes ou bien fanatiques Lio comment les choses bien passé avec on nana là. On la petite violelle. Je prends sous votre co abonné, m'a dit aux amis tout profiter faire ça. J'aime vidéo et puis abonner avec channel là, activer la cloche notification. Pour qu'à joindre toute l'autre vidéo que nous allons laguer sur channel ça. Et puis là fini, dis ça passer des vidéos ça dans les commentaires.
Qui j'en connais moi les? Tu dis tout fait fou. On l'a fait lancer. Dans ma papy. Il va type sous. Il va type sous. O ka mwile, o ka mfon live ki va gen moun.
Timoun, Bob Cailloux.
Moun yo en quarantaine. Oh, ça fait l'aide, mes amis. Moun yo.
Oh, ça allait un peu.
Allez, on prend la même. Connecté le 168. Look. Bonjour. Peut-être pas bon. Les bois moun yo peut-être.
Ah, moi, il me comme fouetté.
Oh shit. Big ass.
No, I'm not willing to sell for that. All right, well, I appreciate you letting us take a appreciate you coming out. Well, I know it's worth more than 2,500, so what I think I'll do with the slot machine now is sell it to someone else.
The spinning dials, the flashing lights, the changing colors, the noise. When you walk into a casino, the slot machines are
Like in
visible.
song? What the hell?
The slot machine is not a new phenomenon. A San Francisco mechanic named Charles Fay
Paguem som com essa.
slot machines in 1895 with his classic Liberty Bell
chegou já.
slot machine.
Bafé.
The early model slot machines were spring-loaded, had gears and iron cogs, and were really loud when you played them. It was the advent of the microprocessor in the 1970s that changed everything. Suddenly, they were bigger, they were brighter.
Big ass.
The jackpots became astronomical. In 2000, a slot player named Cynthia J. Brennan won close to
Oh, eu me paguei net, não?
$1 million.
Então ele lava muito, não
One
galera.
lucky pull on a slot machine in Vegas. Now, can you say jackpot?
Ninguém é mesmo net de mídia paguem. Oh, eu tenho paguei net, não é? Yo, na compra passe bien lá mesmo, não é?
Directo al grano. Eso no va a funcionar con y visión de triunfador. Si pudiera mudar esta